Stop right there!
I'm not doing anything wrong! We're waiting for the bus! Get
Stop
off of
kicking
me!
me!
You guys are waiting for the bus?
Yes, sir.
Can I talk to you guys for a minute? Where are you guys coming from?
My mom's right there.
The officers ask the couple about their whereabouts, but the woman insists they have no business with them.
I talked to you before.
Here's what happened next.
We're just waiting for the bus. We're just sitting right there because it's hot.
What's your name, sir?
He doesn't have a name.
What's your name?
He doesn't have a name. Don't give him your name. You don't need to be messing
Can you
with
put
us.
those bottles down, please?
You don't need to be messing with us. We're waiting for the bus. We're not doing anything wrong. So, come on, let's go with my mom.
Stop.
Let's go.
You're not free to go.
Yes, we are, because we're not doing anything wrong.
Stop.
No,
Sit down.
he's not doing anything wrong. He's not doing nothing wrong. He's not doing anything wrong. Leave him alone.
Why are you
He's
putting me down?
Put those bottles
I need to talk to your manager. We're
Sergeant,
not
I
doing
need to talk to you,
nothing.
Sergeant.
We were talking to your
What
sergeant.
you doing? What the hell is it for? Okay, stop.
Sit down or you're going to get thrown to the ground.
I'm gonna sit down, okay?
Sit down.
I'm sitting down, alright? I'm sitting down.
Put your hands on your back.
What am I getting paid for?
The officer orders the woman to sit down, leading to a physical struggle as the woman tries to intervene.
Why am I getting paid for? Babe, my backpack. Why are you arresting me? Why are you telling me I'm getting paid for? Why are you arresting me? I'm waiting for the bus, sir. Sir, I'm waiting for the bus.
Right there in that lot that you just pulled up.
Why are you stopping me, sir? I'm about to go take care of that right now, sir. Stop right there. Stop or you get tased.
The male tries to reason with the officers, questioning why he is being detained.
Stop right there. Move, back up. 1960. Taser deployed. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
No!
Stand up.
I'm not doing anything wrong. We're waiting for the bus. Get
Stop
off of
kicking
me.
me.
Get off of me. Mom, tell him to leave me alone.
Stand up.
Mom. Mom.
In the alleyway where the wooden fence is.
Mom.
Turn around. Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
Turn on Kansas,
Mom.
west.
Help me.
Head south down the
He's in the hospital.
All right. That's what I was on my way to right now, sir. Can you not please do this to me? Don't. Stop preaching. I'm on my way to go take care of it right now, sir. I'm on my way to go take care of my warrant right now. Can you give me a chance, please, officer?
The woman continues to struggle and protest as the officers try to handcuff her.
Is there needles?
No. I found it.
Stand up. I was just doing what my girlfriend said. Please, I'm begging you, just one chance. Do you want me to go to the court and take care of my warrant, please?
604.
South Solano.
I was waiting for the bus.
I just buried my uncle.
Yeah.
I just buried my uncle, and I was going on my way to the courthouse to take care of my warrant.
So how did all this come about?
We was waiting for the bus.
I was going to go check down here, and then I recognized this lady. And this guy has some warrants that I recognized from before.
Yes,
so I was going to try to talk to him.
Yeah.
I'm
they're
sorry,
just trying to walk
sir.
away, not
Hey,
listening.
I'm sorry, officer.
I'm trying to I grab this dude, and then this chick just tries to get in between him.
Yeah, my fiance.
She tries to separate us.
Yeah.
There's a person that stops here. And
The male continues to plead with the officers, explaining they were waiting for the bus and had no ill intentions.
I'm
yells
sorry.
at them, and she takes off running.
I'm sorry, officer.
Okay.
You didn't do anything wrong. I was waiting for the bus. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
You need to stand up so we can get you checked out, okay?
No, I want to stay right here.
You're gonna have to stand up,
I can't.
or we're gonna drag you out.
Please, no, this is where I live.
Either stand up, or I'm gonna drag you out.
Okay.
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 Roll up.
Help me, please. Help me, please.
Okay.
Thank
We're
you.
gonna kick that knee up. I'm gonna stand you up. Ready? 1, 2,
3.
8096.
Can I say his?
No, you gotta walk out.
What's the male
What did I
subject?
do?
Walk over here.
No, I'm gonna say
Walk
whatever I
over
want.
here.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I was waiting for the bus.
Use of force. I got it.
I need to go to the hospital.
The officers find drug paraphernalia on the male, leading to further complications.
Got anything on you that's sharp?
No.
Sticky or pokey? Or poke us?
But there's a...
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?
I'm on the way. Affirmative R20.
What did I do wrong?
815, go to 3. No, I was able to get it.
I was waiting for the bus. I was waiting for the bus.
Oh yeah, we got to.
I really was.
I'm saying 9.
What did I do wrong?
Then why'd you run then? When we're
I
telling you to
didn't want to
stop.
talk to you guys.
Okay.
The male and female continue to deny any wrongdoing, insisting they were only waiting for the bus.
I didn't do anything wrong.
What's your name?
I'm not giving you my name. I don't need to.
Well, then you're gonna get another charge then. You're gonna get another
Wait, I
charge.
got warrants.
Then give me your name.
Are you wearing a regular bra?
Yes, sir.
Is it a
It's a sports bra, man.
Jessica.
I have warrants.
What is your date of birth? Well, I don't have to ask her that. You were running when I told you to stop.
Because I didn't want to deal with you
Okay,
guys. I have
well-
warrants. What do you expect me to do? Huh? What do you expect me to do? I have warrants. I just woke up and went to go get some ice.
You hurting anywhere? You got any...
She got some blood on her hands. And then let's get pictures of the. Stay still.
Open your hand.
Can I go if there's nothing wrong? What's going on?
For resisting.
I'm sorry.
I know, it's okay.
The officers reassure the couple that they are being taken care of and explain the next steps.
We appreciate you saying sorry for what you did.
Can you loosen that one by chance? That one's really tight.
Got anything else on you, man, or is that it? Is that
That's
everything?
it.
Where are you at for fire? Petro 9.
As I was telling the officer, I found somebody... Alright. Well, I'm just letting you know those are not my pipes or anything.
Man, we gotta take photos, okay? Because I tased her. So we gotta take photos of the scene, okay? She is going to jail. I don't know why she ran in here. We told her to stop multiple times. I didn't know what she was doing here. That's why I tased her. I didn't know she lived here. I don't know what was going on, okay? I didn't know if you were in danger or what happened, okay? Okay, does she live here?
No, well, she stayed here.
Okay, but she doesn't live here?
No, she doesn't live
She doesn't live here? Okay. Yeah, so right there in the between the chair and all that. Okay. She was actually, I don't know what happened down the street with the male. I guess it's her boyfriend or something. So she ran this way. I just showed up and I saw her running. I told her to stop.
Sit up.
Can I get some help?
You did that. You did
I know I have
yourself.
seizures. I have non-epileptic seizures.
Okay, well, we're going to get you the ambulance, but you need to get up, okay?
The woman claims she has seizures and is in pain, prompting the officers to call for medical assistance.
Can I have help?
Okay, you got it. You got it. You put yourself down there, Jessica.
No, I didn't. I had seizures.
Okay.
I wanted my mom.
Okay.
Chill.
Okay, sit up. Either way, you're going to jail, so it doesn't matter. Either way, you're going to go to jail. So all of that, you're going to still go to jail. Because guess what? At the jail, they have a medical staff there.
Despite her claims, the officers inform the woman that she will still be taken to jail after receiving medical care.
Okay, so...
Fine, it's in the hospital.
Okay, look at me. Can you look at me, Jessica? It does not matter what happens to you, you're going to go to jail.
I have
Okay.
seizures. I want to talk to your sergeant.
I am the sergeant. How can I
I
help
have
you?
seizures.
Okay, and we have medical coming. We just wanted to make sure that everything's okay. I got to look in here and make sure where the tasing happened. Okay, are you okay?
I'm scared.
Okay. All right. So she ran into here?
She ran into here, the door. She was right where those chairs.
Oh, like inside or whatever? This door was open or whatever, or she opened it?
She opened it and slammed it behind me and that pushed it.
Okay.
Got it.
I'm going to leave this lighter at your mom's house, okay? Because I'm going to take it at the jail. Can you unlock your car, Contreras? Alrighty. I'm going to take this to the mom.
Yeah, I think
Oh, now you don't want to go to the hospital? Now you don't want to go to the hospital? Okay.
The officers take photos for evidence and continue to manage the scene, ensuring everyone's safety.
Okay, well, you're gonna go to the hospital anyway, you're gonna go get cleared, and then you're gonna go to the jail and we're gonna let them know that you're suicidal, okay?
Let's step out, man.
What do you think? Do you think the police action was okay, or do you think the suspect acted above the law? Leave a like and comments behind. Stay tuned for more videos.